To solve this one, let's first get one side to 0. We might be tempted to multiply both sides by x plus 2 to get rid of the denominator. The trouble is, when we multiply an inequality on both sides, we need to know if it's positive or negative, and if it's 0, it's not allowed at all. Since x is unknown, we don't know that. There's a way to get around it though, and that's just to leave it in. What we'll do is get a common denominator, x plus 2. So we'll have x cubed plus 2 minus x, distribute, get minus 2 over x plus 2. Now let's factor. The 2 and the negative 2 go away. We have x cubed minus x. Next we draw a number line and put on it the numbers that make each factor 0. This gives us a 0, 1, and a negative 1. This one is a negative 2. Now we need a starting point to determine the sign. You could plug in any of the numbers that are in between the ones plotted on the number line. All we need to know is the sign though. So here's a shortcut. Let's do this interval and just think really big number. Put a really big number in. You have a positive number, big number minus 1, still a big positive number. This is all positive, and we're dividing by a big number plus 2, which is positive. They're all positive, so this is going to be positive on this interval. Now let's use the multiplicity. All of these factors have odd multiplicity, so they'll just change signs. So we'll go positive, negative, positive, negative, positive. Now let's interpret the number line. We want greater than 0, so we want our positives. And we don't want it equal to 0, so we won't include any of these zeros. So we have negative infinity to negative 2, union, negative 1 to 0, union, 1 to infinity.